Hi folks, if you're watching this video, that means I've got 100 subscribers. And if you're one of those 100 subscribers, I want to say thank you. It really helps me to know that in a world of billions and billions of people, you have found value in my channel. And let me tell you, 100 people out of a billion, that's pretty elite company. So with that, enjoy this very special episode of Foggy Tinkering. No, it's just me taking the deck off a GX75. A little lawn tractor I plan on working on this spring and bringing out a lot more videos of that tractor. By the way, the X300 is a fantastic tractor. If you're thinking about getting one on the fence, doing some research, I say go for it. I have got nothing but good things to say about this thing. So with that, please enjoy, and thanks again for subscribing. Good afternoon. First things first, on this GX75, I'm going to go ahead and pull the deck off and then give everything a good bath. It's a fairly warm day here today, so I'm going to take advantage of that. So I think first what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and put the deck all the way down. And then underneath there's a few connection points I got to get. There's a forward draft bars, or the front draft bars. There's a pin on either side, and then there's a connection up here for the engagement, the deck engagement, and then there's a lift right here on the rear mounting point. So let's just go ahead and pull this front pin out. Let's go ahead and remove the lift portion of it. Okay. Then right here's a connection for the engagement, the blade engagement. A couple washers you gotta watch. Now that the deck is free, I'll go ahead and raise it all the way back up. Oh yeah, with no weight on it, that lever pops right up. Now the challenge is getting the front draft arms all the way off. They tend to hang up on the steering linkage. So what I'm going to do is try to roll the tractor forward and then lift up on the front end of it. The front end's so light, it's easy for me to do. All right, now that the deck is free, completely free, what I'll try to do is lift the tractor and roll it back a little bit and try to pull the deck out from underneath it. There, piece of cake. All right, I think it's time for a quick bath for the deck and the tractor. So I'll get started on that.